Over the past year, we met a lot of people on the high school sports beat.
The biggest thing has been the numbers. It's just been getting the opportunity to be able to play with such great guys.
Words can't describe it.
We've told their stories.
It's just, I didn't know this would happen.
And watched them succeed.
I've just been looking to make plays. Every chance I get, just look to make plays.
It was the best feeling of my entire life. This is my dream.
There'll be a lot more where that came from beginning September the 8th on 13 WHAM TV.